New Vision Software was founded in 1994. Our goal was to use technology to make it faster and easier to learn. SofTutor version 1 was released in 1995 as a proprietary learning system in the manufacturing, engineering, and design industries. Over the years, we've continued to make enhancements to the SofTutor product line. In 2006, we decided to make SofTutor a non-proprietary open learning platform, and in the fall of 2008, we released our new SofTutor Learning System. Today, we'll talk about how SofTutor can be used for social learning to help students learn better. The key factors to a successful learning solution are the relevance of the training material to the person being taught. In order to teach more effectively, instruction needs to be conveyed in different ways to different learners. Content needs to reach a wider audience, and there needs to be a tangible return on investment of the learning system. Teachers create the content and guide their class, generally through one learning path. Traditional training is a lecture or read with a period of remembering before testing or trying. But the training follows a linear path. We know that not everyone learns the same. Some learn by reading, others are visual learners, some learn by audible methods, and others are multimodal. But traditional model may not address all of the methods. With social learning, instruction is dynamic and nonlinear. It comes from many sources: teacher to student, student to student, parent to student, and web to student. To make social learning better, methods need to be created to allow everyone to quickly develop content. With SofTutor, we've reduced the time that it takes to make content by up to 90%. Furthermore, SofTutor is flexible enough to be used in a classroom or anywhere you can access the internet. Traditional training is done in 3 steps: lecture read, remember, then try later. With SofTutor, we combine steps 1, lecture, with step 3, try and do, into one step that we call try it now. SofTutor reduces the time that it takes to learn by bringing the teacher to the desktop in a format that allows the user to try it now. Here's what we've experienced in the past. With over 250,000 users using SofTutor since 1994, we have a 99.976% customer satisfaction. SofTutor is used by over 1,400 companies, government agencies, and schools in over 34 different countries. SofTutor is installed on the Ford World client at softutor.ford.com. Materials and demos can be found at edtech.softutor.com. SofTutor basically operates where SofTutor will play in a corner of the screen. It's a window that you can move around anywhere you want, and the user will interact with an application that's behind the screen. So basically, if we're learning Word, this would be Microsoft Word in the background, and SofTutor instruction will be in a pop-up window that allows the user to follow along with it. In our demonstration, we will have a demonstration on Second Life that'll show the quick search features of SofTutor so the user can search for something and follow along with it in Second Life. We're also going to have a peer-to-peer student collaboration where an 8-year-old, actually she's 10 years old now, created training for Webkins, and a 12-year-old also collaborates with her to create training for Webkins. So you'll see the two of them. One will create the training, the other one will use the training product to learn from. Where you watch the training modules, and as you're watching them, you can hear birds in the background, you actually do it on the screen at the same time. Another advantage with SofTutor is I can come here and I can go into the search engine and I can search for fly if I wanted to fly. And I just made this tutorial today. I indexed a section called flying, and you'll see what people do with SofTutor is they use it for technical support. You just search for the thing that you're interested in, double click on it, And it'll just queue up and just show me how to fly here in SofTutor. Notice it jumps into the video, and it'll start playing the video. You can also fly in this. So if I press the fly button, yeah, okay. Now it says to use the E to go higher, holding the E key down, press the C key to go in the opposite direction. E up. And I can rotate with my A, my D, my W key, my S key, flying around. Okay, so